Tell us about Warren, because Warren was the director, producer,
Yeah.
and you're a leading man in that film.
Yeah, and I was, you know, that was earlier in my career. So I learned a lot watching someone act and produce and direct, and I learned a lot from him. And luckily, he allowed me to learn and ask the dumbest of questions at times. But I learned, and I learned the importance of producing. It was he who taught me. He said, you know, sometimes you have to make your own, you know, opportunities and your own good luck. So he was one of the first ones to say, if there's something that you really love, don't wait for Hollywood to give it to you. Go out, grab the bull by the horns, and make it happen for yourself. Yeah.
But talk a little bit about your character, because was that character like that from the time you got the script? Because it seems like there's a lot of you in that character, that you added, you know, that edge.
Maybe not a lot of me, but it was certainly me that wanted to add some edge to her. I mean, first of all, me playing a rapper for me was like, oh, okay. I'm going to have to add a little something else in this for me. So the idea was to give her sort of, you know, some supreme intelligence to sort of match him toe to toe. That's what he would find attractive, and that's what that's why she would get involved with someone like him as well. So it wasn't, we wanted her to be something more than that met the eye with that. So some of those scenes weren't in the original screenplay that I read, but through talking with Warren, who's very political, and through talking with him, many hours, we decided that we'd add a little more sparring and banter between the two of them.
And how does Mr. Beatty work? Does he rehearse and then shoot, or does he shoot all the rehearsals?
No rehearsing. We didn't do any rehearsing. And we don't really shoot a lot. He doesn't do a lot of takes either, at least not on everybody else. He doesn't really do a lot of takes. He believes, I think like Clint Eastwood believes, you choose the right actors and you come and you're prepared and you just do it. It's not a lot of over and over and over. I think most directors, I think Jeffrey would say this too, most directors know that if you just do things over and over for the sake of hoping to get something better, what often happens is it just gets worse. It gets stale, and it gets boring, and it gets like, so you just don't really do it. So it's about finding the right people who've done the work and who are ready to shoot. I think that works best. And it keeps the momentum of the day and of the whole project just going forward.